Hello guys, how are you doing? So this is Honda CRV. So the lights are flashing on the dashboard, and there are ways to do it correctly. So you can see there are TPMS signals too much. What you can do is like just switch on the accessory mode, and then there is like this switch which you have to press a little bit, like for 1 or 2 seconds, and then it will reboot the system, which will make the car get into a reboot system, like just choose yes, and then it will reset the system. This is one of the way to reboot and to remove all the lights which are coming on the dashboard, which is indeed is like little bit hard. Sometimes you feel like, oh, what's happening, but it's not a serious issue. It's like all in the Honda CRVs. So you just have to wait till this hand icon go, and then you will restart your car and see if it will go. And sometimes it doesn't go. You can do it like 2 to 3 times, but if there is some serious issue, I think it will be better to go to the dealership and have it look by the certified technician. They will help you out in a good way. But as long as I've searched, it is a very common issue in the Honda CRV. But in my car, this doesn't go up like this way. As you're seeing in the video, the signals which are showing up on the dashboard, still those signs are there. So what I'm doing is I'm doing it again. So as I mentioned earlier, that you can able to do it like 2 to 3 times. But if it still persists, then you don't have to be worried on that. There is another method which I am going to show you ahead of the video, which will also help it out, like how it will be rectified. If you have like OBD2, which you can purchase it from Canadian Tire, I think for like $100 or $150. It all depends on the model. That you can put it on, and then you can able to check it, like what is the actual fault. If it doesn't show any fault in the OBD2, then it's a simple ride, like you can go for like 20 to 30 kilometer per hour speed. If your car don't go in a limp mode, then it is better, and then I think the signs will go off. But if there is some serious issue, the car is going in limp mode, then I don't think it will be better to drive it. It should have to be taken care of by going to the certified mechanic, so that can they able to see what is the real problem. They can reprogram it, and then it will be better. But I think that's some, it will take some money from your pocket, but if it is able to resolve that way, the simple method, it is much better. So for my case, it doesn't go after 2 to 3 reboots. It doesn't go away the lights, and then what I'm going to do now is to set up the OBD2, and then I will see like how it will work. So what is the problem in that? So this is the OBD2 I have taken from Canadian Tire. I have just to see like what's the signals it give me. It's just connected, and then we'll see what's going to happen on this, like what's the problem in this one. And I think in my case I have to set up the accessory mode on, and then I think it will work. Let me see, 97%, and then I think I have to put it, yeah, say unable to establish communication. So then I switch on the car to accessory mode. I have you seeing on my dashboard the lights are coming. I think it will give me the exact reading. This odometer will give me the exact reading what the problem actually is. OBD2 will give me this one. So it's now 100%. I hope there will be nothing much serious issue on this. Ask me that it is Honda CRV. Yes, I see. Yes. So from here I can't able to. It's like data freezing system. It doesn't give me any signal that there is any data which is stored, that there is any issue. Because if there is an issue, there is like all data stored which will give you that what's the problem. So what I'll do is I am just resetting the system, which will take few seconds to do that. And I hope that things will by like restoring this one will also work. But then what I've done is like I can go and drive for like 1-2 blocks around my house, and as I see there is nothing much serious in this OBD2, though I don't think it will be the problem. So what will I'll do, I'll just drive 1-2 blocks and then probably I just have taken a ride. Just I went 2 to 3 blocks and I'm going to restart. I'll see if you see the lights are gone now. Yeah, there is no lights, no more lights there. So it works, this method works too. So don't be scared.